Okay, I want to thank God for the success of this tutorial, and I appreciate you all too for watching this tutorial, and I pray that God will strengthen and energize us in Jesus' name. And please don't forget, practice makes perfect. So we all need to practice this every day so that we're able to perfect our skills using Openlp. And I want to thank our leaders too. I acknowledge them. I will greet you in the name of the Lord. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance to everyone. This tutorial is for the members of Heritage Media Crew in Adegboyega University. So thank you all for participating in this tutorial, and please make sure you make use of this tutorial wholeheartedly, and by the time we resume and we start presenting, it will be much more easier. And I've passed a message across for Mavis Beacon, the use of Mavis Beacon. So please, let's make use of the Mavis Beacon. It will assist us to master the keyboard so that we're able to type faster on our keyboard. So it's very good. You can see the usefulness of Mavis Beacon here by the time you search it for Bible verses, or you search it for the lyrics or words. So by the use of Mavis Beacon, it will help you to type faster, and that's all about that. So I pray God to protect us so that we're able to witness the new year successfully without any problem. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen.